Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how much of these pink currency you need for the Petal update, which is coming today, or maybe when I upload it, it has came out already. I don't know. But to purchase every single thing that's new on the Petal update, you will need around you'll need around 60,000. I keep saying 60. You'll need around 70,000 up to 80,000 of this pink cash / gold cash if you want to buy everything that's new that's coming on the Petal update. So make sure you're on a free play server, or if you have a private server, that's even better, and just wait for all of the cash to spawn and just walk around. You do, I think, get a little bit more if you just play the game and win. If you don't win, you don't get a lot. So I don't know. I think collecting cash like this is easier. I don't have enough, I think, to buy everything for today. Even I had 40,000 and that wasn't enough. So I gained around I had 49, I think, and then I gained around 2,000 in a span of making these videos for you guys. But yeah, that is it for this video. You'll need around 70 to 80,000, so be prepared and farm cash. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.